Once again, good afternoon everybody. So this afternoon we are going to learn about the equivalent fractions. So last time we started already doing an activity about equivalent fractions, but today I would like to give you more activity about it. So first thing you are going to do, when we say equivalent fraction, again, it's the same value, the equivalent value of the fraction. So let's look at number 1. We have 2 over 5 in number 1. You can see the pi models above, these ones, the circles. That is what you call pi models. Okay, and the fraction is 2 over 5. What is the equivalent fraction of 2 over 5? You count the pi models and that is 6 over 15. So think of a number that if you're going to multiply by 2, the answer is 6. So that could be 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And whatever number you multiplied in the numerator will be the number you multiply in the denominator. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. That's how you're going to solve for the equivalent fraction. Later on, I will be showing you how. So in here, you are going to write the fraction inside the box. So write this one on your notebook. Write the equivalent fraction of this following model pies. Okay, you have 12 items. You follow number 1. Understood? Write this one on your notebook. Everything, you draw this one on your notebook. And then the next one, for each question below, fill in the blanks with a number which would make each pair of fractions equivalent. Look for the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Like for example, in number 1, we have 2 over 5. The numerator is already given. So you just look for the denominator. And this one is the equivalent fraction of 2 over 5. So if, like for example, in number 12, wherein this one numerator is missing, that is what you're going to look for. Okay? Understood? So again, write this one on your notebook at the same time. Write everything on your notebook. So if you have any more questions, just drop in our line. Okay, so let's have first an example. Number 1, 2 over 5. This is in your worksheet. 2 over 5. How are you going to look for the equivalent fraction of 2 over 5? Since the numerator is already given, you're just going to think, what number are you going to multiply by 2? And the answer is 10. Or you can just divide 10 divided by 2. So that could be 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And whatever number you're going to multiply in the numerator will be the number you're going to multiply in the denominator at the same time. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay? So 2 over 5, the equivalent fraction is 10 over 25. Okay, another example in number 2. Okay, here. Number 2, we have 3 over 5. And the given was the numerator, which is 12. Again, think of a number that if you are going to multiply by 3, the answer is 12. Or you can just divide 12 divided by 3. 4. If you're going to multiply 4 by 3, the answer is 12. And again, whatever number you multiply in numerator, you do it in the denominator. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Therefore, 3 over 5 is the equivalent fraction of 12 over 20. Okay? Understood? Okay, so you proceed in answering your worksheet. And that's all for today. So see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be English, right? So see you tomorrow. Goodbye.